Is affiliate marketing a viable business model? Well, the potential is enormous. You don't have to worry about product creation, fulfillment, customer service, or negative feedback. Your sole responsibility is to place the right customers in front of the right offer and collect a commission. So, theoretically, you can do it all from the beach in an hour. You don't really own or control anything in this business. You don't even get to keep the customers who are the most valuable piece of the puzzle. Because you're mostly driving traffic, sending it to someone else, what if there was a way for you to create a truly passive income stream? An income stream where you could build in your spare time and scale up or down as you see fit, without having to spend hours a day testing, tweaking, and risking your money in the hope of finally making sales. Hey, welcome to MoneyTalk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about 2 options to earn money fast using this free website. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Okay, now the website I'm going to talk about is Digistore24. So Digistore24 is one of Europe's largest affiliate networks, offering online sales solutions to many German-speaking countries through automated technology. So to generate sales for its affiliate partners, the company offers a wide range of digital and physical products for as little as $1. The most prominent products are usually in the fitness or making money online niches. Because of their automated technology, they are relieved of technical and administrative burdens, and they can focus on their products because of their affiliation and with affiliate partners. So the Digistore24 affiliate network is a viable alternative to the top affiliate networks in the United States. So anyone can sign up as an affiliate to promote through Digistore or their own sales page, making it a win-win situation for everyone. So Digistore24 has also established additional affiliate networks in the United States, demonstrating the company's genuine desire to operate at their highest level. So given that Digistore24's rapid expansion, showing no plans of slowing down, it is reasonable to expect Digistore24 to eventually become one of the world's most prominent and leading affiliate networks. So to use this affiliate network, affiliates and merchants must first register as affiliates or vendors. You can also register as an affiliate and a seller. You can also become an affiliate or a vendor. There are so many options. So after registering, you will have access to the user dashboard. Once you register as an affiliate, you will have access to the categories of items and services to promote. So this website makes it simple to find the product or service you need. So all you have to do is to browse the affiliate site's online business and internet marketing categories. The Digistore24 rankings are determined by the category sales volume. Using this strategy can help you determine what sells best and what is right for you at the time. So affiliates and merchants can easily synchronize their accounts on Digistore24. A mode switch is located on the header. Affiliates can more easily promote your products, so you can add a product from the vendor section by going to Account, then go to Product, then you can go to Add Product. So your products will be listed on Digistore24's marketplace once you complete the product information form. The Digistore24 website explains how to fill out the product listing form. So if you don't know how to fill out the form, you can just check out the website. So before I continue, are you getting excited about this new website I'm talking about? Well, if you are, just comment down below how excited you are. And I also have this question. Have you ever heard of affiliate marketing? Well, if you have, comment down below your experience with affiliate marketing and comment down below if you're excited to try this, okay? Now, where were we? Okay, yeah. So there are 2 ways to make money on Digistore. So the first step is for you to become a product creator, also known as a vendor, where you can place your products, set commissions, make bi-weekly or monthly payments, and deal with other payment-related issues. So if you want to add a product, you can just navigate to the account section and look for the product section. Then select Add Product and fill out the product information when you're done. Click Save and then wait for the product to be approved. So once you have that, you can use tools like delivery service apps, connectivity website, add-on seals, and forms full payment and bookkeeping systems, automated sales and tracking, built-in customer service systems. So if you provide a service or a product, you should be able to list your offerings in the marketplace and find affiliates to help you sell your offerings. So both parties benefit from the situation, okay? The goal is to get your product or service in front of your customers so you wouldn't be able to meet on your own and to generate sales. Digistore24 will actually assist you in marketing your product to affiliate marketers as soon as it is listed. So you can use affiliates to direct customers to your sales page where they can pay for your product using D24's secure payment gateway and you will receive payment. The second way to earn money is to become an affiliate, so whose primary goal will be to market the products you select online. So you can actually earn money by promoting affiliate links. You will not be charged to sign up, but please keep in mind that each brand has its own affiliate marketing application. So in order for you to generate sales or commission, this will not allow you to promote all products. So there's only a few nitpick products that are allowed for you to be endorsed. Making money on Digistore24 starts with determining a niche, okay? So a niche is a specific need for a market segment around which a business can be built. So if you conduct a thorough market study and a research, you'll be able to identify a profitable niche. You can also create an online money-making website, or you can start an online business centered on health tips. The following step is to select a product. So products with a high commission volume and good quality are successful. A good product meets the needs of the target audience or customers and adds value to them. You can also create a blog or a website if you want to start an online business or affiliate marketing business that will generate income for you online. So in terms of marketing, we have two options. So there's free advertising and paid advertising. So for free advertising, it is possible by promoting affiliate links through cold emails, social media, and Q&A sites. But paid advertising is when you run advertisements to promote your affiliate links. So it works the same way whether you're on Quora, Facebook, or Google. Withdrawals are simple with Digistore24. So the payment methods include bank transfers, Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal. So it's important to remember that like other affiliate networks, Digistore24 only allows withdrawals after you've earned a certain amount of money. Although the limits are low, any individual can easily exceed it. So there is no need to worry. After making the required monthly payment of $50, you can withdraw funds for the month. This is one of the most commonly used threshold options. There are, however, several ways to withdraw money. You can also withdraw monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly. Make your own decision based on your unique situation. Digistore24 provides a completely free service, okay? So only when there is a profit is a cost incurred. For each purchase, you will be charged 7.9% of your earnings plus $1. This gives you full access to Digistore24's features and functions. So now that you know all of this, are you excited to try Digistore24? You know what? Comment down below your thoughts about it, and then let's keep the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, you can just make sure to hit the thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!